In this video, we will introduce how to use the Trummed NPWT system. Before using, it's better to do the setting of NPWT device first, such as therapy mode, pressure, and prepare the NPWT dressing kit in advance. Step 1. Size the wound and clean it. Step 2. Trim the foam to fit the wound size. Step 3. Fill the foam into the wound. Step 4. Cover it with surgical drip. Follow its indicated steps to remove the release paper. Step 5. Decide the best location to place the suction port and cut a 1 cm diameter hole in the drip. Step 6. Remove the release paper on the suction port and stick it to fit the hole. Step 7. Connect the tubing to the canister tubing. Step 8. Check the clamp closures on tubings. Ensure it is on lock. Step 9. Turn on the NPWT device and start the therapy. The foam will be pulled down when the therapy works. Welcome to contact Trummed for more information.